Assalamu alaikum brother, how are you? I hope you all are happy and Allah may happy all of you. Brother, today I'm gonna show you that how to convert the OPUS audio file into MP3 file. So for this purpose we have online how to convert online without software in the PC. Okay, so come here. So for this purpose type that OPUS file convert to MP3, okay, and click on search. I already typed. So this one, convert OPUS to MP3 online free OPUS to MP3 changing. Okay, the review free utilities tools. Mime type audio. This one. So select this one. This is onlineconvertfree.com. This one is the best and all. Okay, so we have to choose the file, but we have to choose the two file at once. Okay, because it requires the two files at once. So select this copyright and hurt Islamic set background, no copyright NCS, and click. So this is the MP3. Select audio and select MP3 and cross this one also, cross this one and click on convert. It will take some time. This one is the 3.2 MB and this one is the 2.2 MB. Okay, let's in mind 3.2 and 2.2. okay, this one is done. Click on download the 3.01 and click on this one. So this is done and click on 2 MB file. Click on this. So then come here, minimize the film mode, click on the PC and go to the download file, and where come to the music or download, this one, come to the music and this. Okay, this is the machine. Okay, and this one set background and come here. One is that in OPUS file, and one is that. Okay brother, so this is the method that how to convert the OPUS file into MP3 online. Assalamu alaikum.